opening. They guard him tightly. There's a double. Hodge will turn and shoot a jumper. How often do you see that from Cliff Hodge?
Well, he probably heard your intro about him and realized, you know, he can go anywhere.
Shawnee, the fake, the jumper just inside the three-point line. That's a good shot. Wala kay Deshaun Winston.
Well, this boy is a scorer. He's always going to look for
Pasaol and Magdenburg, lots of beef on that matchup. He gets it back, drops it to Bates, who hits the basket. Chance for the three-point play. And you love that about Pasaol. He didn't want to get... Stockton gets hit and then hits the jumper. Alex Stockton, my gosh. You know, if your confidence is down right now, you want to run over where to go. Kick it out to Newsom. 8 to shoot, takes the shot. Basket is good. And Fornilos. Napapikit na lang si Fornilos. Parang grabe naman yun. Nandun naman ako. I didn't miss my assignment. He's got his own rebound. Banchero will try again. And hit again. Chris Banchero. 3 threes here in the first half. 6-point lead, Meralco. Trap. Bates needs to do something.
He heard you.
And there you go.
He heard you.
Si Bates pa nakashoot doon, and that's clearly counted. So that's going to be a double-digit lead entering the second half. 53 to 42 in favor of the Meralco Bolts, who had a nice... Back-to-back para kay Santos. Isa na siya, sabi niya, naku, ganun pala yung feeling. May pumapasok. Why don't I take another one?
And they might even check the landing spot area on that play.
4 points left to your argument. So,
that's why you're a lawyer. And there is Santos.
At may foul pa sa ilalim.
Hindi, pero foul si Santos ang may foul.
Titingnan pa kung ano. Flagrant ito.
Kasi Ian Carmen been going at it.
So pick it up. Up ahead to Banchero. Banchero will put it in on the break.
So hindi nagpahinga ito. Nagpahinga lang ng 3 minutes because he was forced to. Pero yung kanyang shooting, hindi nagpahinga.
18 points na para kay Chris Banchero. Jumper. Shawnee is short. Ball's on the floor. Caralipio kept it alive. Layup is good. With a foul to boot. A chance for a three-point play for the Kings.
Kasalanan ni Dito yun dahil yun ang tao niya. But he was leaking already to the front court, expecting a rebound.
Hand off to Melesio. Balik kay Justin. Justin. Basket is good. Meron pang foul. He could tie it up with a free throw.
Ang ganda rin yung play coming out.
And the three-point shooting has been quiet. Oh, look at that shot from Chris Newsom. From the hip. It came all the way from the hip. Binaba niya. Got the foot. Santos again. There it goes.
Bigat talaga ng linaro niya dito sa second half.
Oh, it's looking good. Can they keep their composure? De Los Santos will spin. Take the J. And hit it.
Now they have the timeout. It's a 2-possession game and Converge is looking good. Looking good.